If you've ever wanted to translate your videos into multiple languages, either to make your content more accessible or just to target different audiences on YouTube and TikTok, then keep watching because I'll show you the easiest way to do it. Obviously, you first need to record your video. Then open Flixier and click on Get Started. We'll drop a link to the website in the video description so you can find it easily. Afterwards, it's time to import your video. If you have the file on your computer, you can just drag it to the library here. If you want to bring the file over from your phone or from cloud storage, you can also do that from the import menu. Now, in order to translate your video, you'll first need to generate a transcript of it. Luckily for us, that's pretty easy to do in Flixier. Just drag your video to the timeline at the bottom of the screen, then right-click on it and hit Generate Subtitles. After the subtitles are generated, you'll be able to translate them easily within Flixier. Just select them on the timeline, then go to the Translate tab here on the right, click on Add New Language, select your language, and hit the Translate button. In a few seconds, Flixier will generate a translated version of your subtitles and you'll be able to edit it from the left side menu here. Now, in order to save this translated transcript to your computer, you'll need to go back to the Subtitle tab, select Text Note Timestamps in this list here at the top, and then click the Download button. Now, before we continue to generating our voiceover, I wanted to show you an alternative method of translating your subtitles, this time using ChatGPT. Instead of translating them using Flixier, you can just download your original transcript like we showed you earlier. It's going to be a simple text file, so you can just open it on your computer, copy the text, and then paste it into ChatGPT and ask it to translate it into your desired language. There shouldn't be much of a difference between Flixier and ChatGPT in terms of the translation itself, but using ChatGPT might make it easier for you to edit your translation. For example, you could tell it to make sure it maintains the same length of the text so that the timing of your voiceover will still match the video after we generate it. But no matter which method you end up using, the important part starts now. Once you have your translated text, copy it and then return to Flixier. Go to Import and choose Text-to-Speech. You'll see all the AI voices available in Flixier here on the left side. Human-like voices are the most realistic, so you should try to choose one of those if possible. You can filter the different voices by language and gender as well, and if we go ahead and look for Spanish, you'll see that there's different accents and dialects to choose from. Now, you can either pick one of the voices available here by using the preview option, or you can go to the Voice Clones tab and clone your own voice if you want to give a more personal touch to your translated videos. So, just pick a voice and then paste your script here on the right. Hit generate and after a few seconds you should be able to preview your new voiceover. If you like how it sounds, click on Add to my library to move to the next step. If you think it needs a little tweaking, you can open the voice settings here and adjust the stability and clarity sliders, then generate again until you're happy with the result. Now for the final part, replacing the original audio. You'll notice that after you click on Add to my library, Flixier automatically adds the new voiceover to the timeline. Make sure to drag it all the way back to the start in case it was misplaced. Then right-click the video, choose Detach Audio and delete the original audio. And if you want to include translated subtitles, you can either use the ones we generated earlier, or if you translated your video using ChatGPT instead of Flixier, you can just right-click on your new voiceover and hit Generate Subtitles to create new ones. You can even customize them with animations and effects from this right side menu. It's all really easy, but we'll still drop a link to our subtitles tutorial in the video description if you want to learn more. Now for a couple of general tips. If you've already posted your videos on YouTube but you don't have them saved on your computer anymore, just open up your YouTube Studio. Here you'll find the option to download your videos in HD, save them to your computer, then import them into Flixier. And for tip number 2, if you want to use this translation method for TikTok videos, you can just copy the link to your video, go to Flixier, click Import, and then choose the link option. Paste your TikTok link and the video will be imported and added to your timeline. This way, you can easily create multiple versions of your videos and publish them across platforms in different languages. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to check out our YouTube channel for more useful tutorials for content creators. Until next time, happy editing!